This video will show you how to install your new door and window sensor using step-by-step instructions. To set up your door and window sensors, you'll need the following: battery and mounting adhesives, which are included, and a 4mm flathead screwdriver if your device doesn't come with a battery pull tab. The window and door contact sensor consists of a magnet and the sensor itself. Apply the double-sided adhesive to the back of the sensor and the magnet. When mounting, make sure the marks on the side of the sensor and the side of the magnet are aligned. Before installing, make sure to clean the surface with a lint-free cloth. Attach the magnet to the window or door, pushing down for 20 seconds to make sure it sticks, and attach the sensor to the window frame or door frame. The gap between the sensor and the magnet should be less than 6mm or 1/4 of an inch when the door or window is closed, and your installation is complete.